Excuse me, what's the price of this football? Well, madam, sorry to correct you. This is not football. This is German Fußball. Fußball. It's called the SZ. It is not pronounced as B. It is not B. It is beta sign or B with a tail. If you see, this is SZ. There are various words in German with this SZ. For example, Zeus, which means sweet. Got it? So Fuß, which means foot. Ball, which means ball. Football, Fuß, foot. And yes, there's another one. For example, heiß, which means hot. Yes? So Fuß, Fußball, Zeus, heiß. The sound S. Oops. Okay, this is Fußball. I'll keep it in mind. Thank you so much for correcting me.